Assalamu alaikum children, welcome back to your online class of maths. Hope you all are fine. Children, as I told you that we have completed our syllabus and we have started the revision from the first chapter. So let's get started. Children, in the previous class we have completed exercise 1.1 till the third question. So today in this class we are starting patterns skip counting. Children, look at the series 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. In this series, counting is done by leaving a number in between. So after 6 comes 7 and after 8 comes 9. But we have left the numbers. So it is known as skip counting. Children, once we know the pattern, we can easily write the number that comes next. Pattern means skip counting by how much. So if you understand the pattern, you can continue the numbers easy. Next, identify the patterns and find the missing numbers. Children, what is the difference between this 10 and 20? 10. So it is the skip counting by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Next, what is the difference between 1 and 3? 2. So this is the skip counting by 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. In the same way you have to practice this, children, okay? Next we have bigger and smaller. Bigger and smaller. Children, here we have numbers 25 and 9. This 25 is bigger than 9. How can you say this 25 is bigger than 9? Because this 9 is a single digit number and this 25 is two digit number. So the one digit number is always smaller than the two digit number. In the next case, if we have both the sides two digit numbers, suppose we have 29 here and 25 here. So how will you find the difference? You have to compare the numbers which are on tens place. If the numbers which are on tens place are equal, you should compare the numbers which are on tens place. So 29 is the bigger. Why? Because on the ones place we have bigger number here. So in exercise 1.3, you have to color the bigger number. First you have to read the number name and you have to compare and you have to color the bigger one. And in the second question, color the smaller number. Again you have to observe the number which is bigger and which is smaller and then you have to color it. Next, circle the biggest numbers and put a cross on the smallest numbers. Children, here we have some numbers. We have to circle the greatest number or biggest number and we have to cross out the smallest one. So among 7, 14 and 23, 23 is the biggest one. So circle it and 7 is the smaller one. So cross it. In the same way, you have to practice this in your notebook. Because we have completed already in the textbook now, so you have to practice in notebook. Greater than and less than. GREATER, greater, THAN than, greater than, and LESS less, THAN than, less than. Just now we have learned about bigger number and smaller number. So children, this crocodile is always wants to eat bigger number. So the open mouth of the crocodile should comes towards the bigger number. So we have numbers here 68 and 49. So how will you compare? First you have to compare the numbers which are on tens place. So from number 6 and 4, 6 is the greatest number. So the open mouth should comes towards number 68. Children, if we have same digits on both the sides, we use the sign of equals to, because on the tens place also and on the ones place also we have the same number. So we use equals to. Next, again you have to compare the numbers which are on tens place. From number 2 and 1, 1 is the smaller one and 2 is the bigger one. So open mouth should comes towards the bigger one. Let's do one less than problem. 25 and 28. Children, on both the sides on tens place we have 2. Let's compare the ones place numbers. So from 5 and 8, 8 is the biggest. So open mouth should comes towards number 28. And how will you read this? 68 is equals to 68. 27 is greater than 13. 25 is less than 28. So children, we have completed greater than and less than, and in the next class we will start the exercise 1.4. Be ready for the next class. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.